This campervan's the Davis 620. It's a 636 centimeter long campervan with lengthwise beds at the rear, and this one here will cost 60,000 euros. And I'm now going to say something which I didn't think I'd ever say. I never considered saying 60,000 euros is today a comparatively cheap campervan. The prices have gone through the roof, and this is one of the cheapest vehicles on the Karmann Mobil stand. Now, in 2019, I put up a video about cheap camper vans. So nothing's cheap, everything's expensive, but it's comparatively speaking. Like the word cheap, it doesn't really it doesn't mean anything. If it stands by itself. But anyway, Karmann Mobil were genuinely cheaper than other vehicles. But and to be quite honest, they still are. But this is what's happening to the market in these current times of difficult to get parts and thus vehicles. Anyway, here I'm going to show you. Got under the beds. We've had the bed. Now the bed here is extended to make a double bed, and it would be absolutely if the other cushion were in place. There's another plate which goes down here where I am now, and that'll make a really big double bed. I can only sort of demonstrate by putting this in like that, because I haven't got the plate. But anyway, so you'd have a bed of that nature, something like enormous really, in the back of a camper van. Under the beds one finds storage. We've got a fridge up here, and below the fridge there is a wardrobe. In here we will find the toilet, and I'm going to put the light on if it's connected. Aha! And there you see there's a duct board for it as well. Unfortunately, comes with one tiny drainage hole, as does this one as well, the moulded sink, which is rather attractive. Inside, I'll come in, I'll show you the amount of spaces in here. Look at that, there's lots of space inside this shower unit. I need to point out that this isn't wood, it's a waterproof laminate. But people say in the comment section, "Oh, that wood will rot," and things like that. I do prefer sliding door, but I appreciate that not everybody does. Bench here with a large table and storage up there. And up here as well. I do like a lot of light in my vehicles, so there's a window there and a window there. The kitchen is just two burners and a sink, and storage below. So that is a cheaper 636 centimeter long vehicle from Karmann Mobil. What about the more expensive ones? Well, this one here is going to cost 67,000. What's interesting about this though is that it's got a huge amount of storage at the back, and this bed here will go up and down, and you can see that one going up and down in a different video. Other parts are somewhat similar. I'll turn the lights on so you can see what's going on. The lights are on. No, we're not going to get the lights on. Can't have everything, I suppose. Down here we've got a vehicle, but you're looking at 17,000 euros more for this Dexter 625. But as you can see, it looks much more elegant inside. It's got a certain class to it. Look at these wonderful, this really nice kitchen, not particularly practical in a motorhome or campervan, of course. A toilet. And here we've got a double bed with a huge amount of storage under the bed and round. So I left it up like this to demonstrate. Quite attractive. Oh, and here as well we've got this rather nice pull-out pantry. And if I come round here, this is the Davis 620. Again, a vehicle with lengthwise beds, 636 centimeters in length, and a much more attractive look to it. So one can see that there is a bit of a difference there. So whilst I'm here, I'll just show you around the stand a bit as well. So we've got here some 4x4 vehicles. These ones though are based on the Ford Transit. Now, for example, this one here, it's got lengthwise beds in a 6-meter van, of course. And there we have, you can see what the beds look like in this case. There's this thing here, a small thing, Karmann Mobil's Duncan 4x4, and also get this not 4x4 as well. It's a rather small vehicle based on the Ford Transit Custom. See all these wonderful vehicles here. So this is the reason to actually visit Caravan Salon or the CMT trade fair, which is held in Stuttgart as well. And I've tried to actually video all of these vehicles. So this is the Davis 620. Comparatively, really underline that word many times. Comparatively cheaper vehicle from Karmann Mobil, but it's a bit of a no thrills vehicle, of course, compared to the others. Thanks very much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15 Central European time, and so that's an hour earlier in the UK and 9 hours earlier in California, and lots of different times in lots of other different places. And so I do these vehicle shows all the time, mainly in Germany, but I've also done it in Poland, Italy, France, Belgium, and the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching.